Hey guys, it's Boris, and I'm making this video so that everyone that does not live in Bangalore can get a taste of the sounds that we deal with in the city on a daily basis. Some of you guys might find it very therapeutic. I for one don't mind it too much. You can hear a honk over there. Turn up your speakers, put on your headphones, and listen to what we deal with 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, at every single road, crossing, anywhere really in this city. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, remember to press that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with some friends.